Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I am so happy that you are here. Today, as you probably saw from the title and the everything, it is Ipsy. I'm still missing Macy's. It feels a little weird just to have the one little singular bag. Hopefully next month I will have my Walmart. I'm craving Walmart at this point. I'm having unboxing withdrawals. Like I'm missing having those 2 a month. We'll see. I still technically have an Allure subscription too, but I keep skipping because I do review the spoilers for that one because that one is more expensive. And if I know what I'm going to get, I'm going to, choose to do that. I am going to end up doing a year subscription to Ipsy because they are raising the price again. So if you renew before, I think they said the 25th for a year, you can lock in the current price before they raise it up again. I missed the days when they were $10. Anyway, I have this and I have a whole bunch of add-ons. So let's talk about the bag really fast because that sun is kind of cool. I like that they did such an unusual zipper pull and you can kind of see these sunflowers. They are very subtle. If you're looking at it, it looks kind of brown until you start looking at it a little bit closer. Before I get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy and let me know if there's something else that you think is similar that is something I might enjoy that's not too terribly expensive. Let me know down below. Okay, so I did get some add-ons, like I said, and the first one, this one was free because I spent so much. I think it was like $25 in add-ons. I think that's what it is. So this is the I Do Care in the Zone Pore Tightening Tea Tree Mask. So there's the first thing. Then I got, looking down, I got this little guy. This is the Strawberry Kiss Sugar Scrub for Body. Oh, I thought this was for the, why did I think this was for the face? Maybe I didn't think this was for the face. Anyway, this has salicylic acid and strawberry extract. Maybe that's why I thought it was. It's notes of strawberry, whipped cream, and rose petals. I will make short work of that for sure since that's a body scrub. Then I picked up this guy from Aether Beauty. This is their Dewy Quench Tinted Gloss Stick in the shade Muse. I think this one was one of those 350 ones. Not too bad. I think it will be a nice little lip balm. I will stick it in my purse and probably use it instead of my Tarte because I've used up my one Tarte lippy. Then I picked up a Verb Ghost Oil. I really do enjoy this as a leave-in, and I thought, oh, this was like $12, I want to say, and that's a pretty good deal for this. So I did pick up this, and the last add-on I picked up is from Benefit. This is the Pore Professional Super Setter, and they had this on sale at Ulta, and it might be when I put this up, it's still on sale. I don't remember when that sale ends. But it was $18 in the new packaging, and this was $12 in the old packaging. And I thought, I'm going to get the old packaging. I feel like this is a decent setting spray. Is it my favorite? No. But I'm not going to be buying all-nighter anymore unless like it's a super good deal, less than 50% off. I will go up to Scandinavia probably eventually, but in the meantime, when this was $12, I was like, well, I'm going to get that for $12. So that's the last thing I got for my add-ons. Moving on to the bag itself. Let's pull out the card. Once again, I have nothing in here. I don't need a cleanser 101. Like, just give me the values and everything. So first thing I'm pulling out is from New. This is a skin filter serum. And it's 1% retinol, 6.5% AHAs. So a serum, that's nice. I will definitely get use out of that. Then we have from Feel, this is a 40 hyaluronic acid under eye cream. Hopefully I won't have a reaction to this. I am still using my Aquifer. I have been a little scared to try a different eye cream, so I will be trying that out in the next few days though. Then we have the Matcha Cleanse from Tatcha, and a cleanser, definitely can use that. So far we're pretty boring, but that's okay. They're I guess useful things, even if they're not super exciting. Then the big thing is from e.l.f. This is the Power Grip Matte Primer. And let's see, this looks like a good full size. I have some other e.l.f. primers. I have the pink one. I really like the pink one. I know it's the niacinamide one, so not everybody can use it. But so we have that one. I will definitely give that a go. And the last thing in here is from Beauty for Real. This is a Define Lip Liner in Universal Cool. And let's give it a swatch once I get all the plastic off of it. That was actually easier than I thought it was going to be. So here we go. Ooh, that is really pretty. Kind of like that. Definitely one I will use. I like this, that it is a roll up, because I will put this in my purse and I can use this with like a tinted lip balm. Actually, I bet, let's get that Aether back out. I bet those would look nice. Like if we layered the one over, if we layered the one over the other, I think that would be kind of a nice little look. That is definitely something I would use for work, those two together. All right, so was it a good month? I think it was a pretty decent month. So I have a couple full size, and they're both technically makeup, the primer and the lip liner. And I like the shade of the lip liner. I like the bag this month. I think it's kind of nice. I don't know. I guess it's not finished inside. I was thinking it was for a second. Then we have serum and a cleanser and an under eye. The eye cream is my least favorite because I'm not going to go through that nearly as quickly, but I think everything I'm going to use, there's nothing I'm going to pass along, which is a good thing in my book. That doesn't always happen. So anyway, that is my Ipsy for the month of April. Let me know what you got. Not April. It's March. What am I saying? I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.